Open your book to page 153. Today's lesson is on the solving equations that has a grouping symbol. So let's go to example 4 and let's go through the examples. So you got 10x minus 2 times 3 plus 4x is equal to 7 minus x minus 2. So now notice you have the grouping symbol. So what you need to do is you need to go and multiply by its coefficient or the number in front to get rid of the grouping symbol. So first thing you want to do is get rid of the grouping symbols. So you're going to get 10x, and again try to line things up to avoid careless mistakes. So you multiply, you get negative 6. Multiply, you get minus 8x, and none of your equal sign. So when you multiply, you get minus x. Multiply, you get plus 2. So now it becomes the previous lesson. So you need to go and combine the like terms on each side. So combine this with this, so you're going to get 2x minus 6. And you combine this one with this one. So you're going to get negative x plus 9. And then it becomes the previous lesson. Okay, notice the previous lesson which keep adding steps, right? So every time when you undo one step, it becomes the lesson before that. So now you need to go and move the variable to one side and the number to the other side. So plus x, so this will cancel out. And you need the plus 6, so the number can cancel out. So you end up with 3x equal to 15. Again, try to not have your equal sign. It help you to keep track of things. Divide by 3. So you got x equal to 5, and that's it. And if you're going to graph, then you can go and graph the number very easily. So 4, 5, 6, and put a dot over here, and that's your graph. Okay. So again, one new step. Okay, multiply to get rid of the grouping symbol, and it becomes the previous lessons. Okay, so let's go to example 5. So you got 7y minus 3 times 2y minus 5 is equal to 6 times 2 plus 3y minus 31. So again, first you need to multiply to get rid of the grouping symbol. So you line up everything as much as you can. So multiply, you get negative 6y. Right? Multiply, you get plus 15. So watch the sign. Negative times negative is positive. None of your equal sign. Distribute, you get 12. Distribute, you get plus 18y minus 31. Right? Again, none up as much as you can. So combine the like terms. So you get y plus 15. This one you combine the like terms. So you got 18y minus 19. So now you're going to move the variable to one side. Now this is a smaller variable, so I'm going to move this one. So minus y. Again, you always do the variable first. So this will cancel out. Now because I move the variable to this side, that means I have to move the number to the opposing side, right? So I need to move this to the left hand side. So plus 19. So this cancels out. So you're going to get 17y equal to 34. So divide by 17. So y is equal to 2. And then when you graph, and put a dot over here, and that's it. Okay, let's go to example 6. So you got 5 times 2 minus 3x minus 4 equal to 5x plus bracket minus parentheses 2x minus 10 plus 8 bracket. Okay, so now you got more stuff now. But again, you just go through the steps. Okay, again, you just apply the technique for every single problem. Okay, so first you need to undo the parentheses. So let's go and multiply. Let's get rid of parentheses first. So multiply. Again, line up everything as much as you can. Now this one has parentheses and brackets, so you have to do the parentheses first. So multiply minus 2x. Multiply plus 10 plus 8. Okay. Then the next step, let's get rid of the bracket. Now you can combine this first if you want to, or you can do it later, doesn't matter. but again, do one step at a time. So again, first you get rid of parentheses, then next let's get rid of the bracket. So again, you distribute, so minus 2x, right? So when you have no number means it's 1, so everything will stay the same. Okay, so get rid of the brackets. Then after that, let's go and combine the like terms. So this one and this one, so you got negative 15x plus 5. This one, this side over here, you got this 2 will give you 3x, and this 2 over here will give you plus 18. Okay, and so now I'm going to move this side because this is smaller than this, right? Negative 15 is smaller than 3, so I'm going to move this to this side, so I don't have to I don't have to deal with negatives. So plus 15x plus 15x, so this cancels out. Now because I moved the variable to the right hand side, I need to move the number to the left hand side. Okay. So this cancels out. So I get negative 13 equal to 18x. Okay, double check. Okay, 12. Let me see. Oh, so that's why you see when you line up, you can check, you can find the mistake very quickly, right? You see that? Okay, so this will give me plus 6. Okay, so you have to watch this because this is very easy to make a mistake because there's too many things. So that's why you want to line things up as much as you can. So once you messed up, it's very easy to figure it out, right? Again, you line it up. Oh, right. Before it was 5, right? So now you can see, oh, it's supposed to be 4. So now you can redo this, right? Okay, then you divide by 18. Divide by 18. So x. Now you have to reduce. Notice these are divisible by 6, right? So divide by 6, you get negative 2. Divide by 6, you get 3, and that's it. And this one, it does not ask you to graph, so you don't have to graph. Okay, so let's go and do some practice.